TV back. You know the slogan. But quick little video. I was messing around trying to do something else and clean my throttle body, and I had hit this coolant line that runs from the heater core down there, and it had broken loose. That's the old piece right there. I got the new one right here. Part number 626654. The heater hose assembly. So yeah, it had came off. But make it quick and simple. So what you want to do first is remove the housing unit. If it was still on there, this unit right here, you want to remove that. But it's two on that clamp. It's two things on that clamp that you got to clamp down and release the other to release the main part of the clamp. It's already released. So what I'm gonna do is take it off from there. I already have the clamp loose, which I use with a pair of pliers. The whole intake is removed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find something to stop that, because once I remove that hose, coolant is gonna come out. So I'm gonna find something to plug that real quick and put the new hose in. Be right back. So I got the new one in. It's connected to the heater core. It's connected down here. So like I said, once again, the part number for that was 626654. And this is on a 2008 GMC Yukon Denali 6-liter engine. So if this video helped in any way, like, comment, subscribe, and tap in. Gone.